Okay, let's do this. Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Xiaomi hosted a launch event today and let's talk about all the products in just under 5 minutes. 5 minutes, that's it, that's all I'm gonna take to talk about these new products. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. Okay, starting off, let's talk about the phones. It was well anticipated that Xiaomi will launch the Redmi Note 5 over here in India, and they did. But to everyone's surprise, they also launched the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is actually the new phone. Redmi Note 5 is just a rebranded phone which was launched in China as the Redmi 5 Plus. So it is the same phone rebranded as Redmi Note 5 here in India, but the new phone is Redmi 5 Pro. Let's talk about the Redmi Note 5 first. It comes with the same Snapdragon 625 processor from last year, but it has a few upgrades like the new 18:9 display, the new design, I mean just the taper is a little bit different, nothing more. And we have major improvements in terms of the camera. So now we have a better 12 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2 and a larger 1.25 micron pixel size. Seems familiar, right? So it is very similar to the primary camera on the Mi A1. So these are the major changes for Redmi Note 5. Redmi Note 5 is just an incremental upgrade in design, camera and build quality, nothing else. The processor is the same and everything else is mostly the same. Also the display is new. The Redmi Note 5 starts at a price of rupees 9999, that is 10,000 rupees, which is crazy. It is a very good phone for the price of rupees 10,000, that is for the 3 and 32 variant. The 464 variant starts at 12,000 rupees, which is again a very good price for the phone. So Redmi Note 5 is a good phone, but wait for Redmi Note 5 Pro. Redmi Note 5 Pro is the phone you should go for. It starts at 14,000 rupees and the specs are incredible. We have an all new Snapdragon 636 processor which is supposed to have way better performance than 625 while giving you the same battery efficiency and also the thermal efficiency. That means 636 is a new processor and it is the first time it has been used in any smartphone in the world. That's why this processor is supposed to give you great performance with great battery life as well. Also, there are some major improvements in terms of the camera of this new phone. So you have a dual camera setup at the back. One is a 12 megapixel sensor and the other one is a 5 megapixel depth sensing sensor. That means you will get those portrait mode shots. Also, this time you get EIS for video, which is a very big thumbs up from my side. You also get major improvements in terms of the front camera of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which has a 20 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f2.2 and it also comes with an LED flash. So major improvements in terms of the rear as well as the front camera as compared to last year. So Redmi Note 4 was a good phone, but the only major complaint was about the cameras. But now we have Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is supposed to have the best cameras that Xiaomi has ever shipped over here in India at this price point. Hence, I'm really excited for Redmi Note 5 Pro. I am going to buy that phone. As I mentioned before, it starts at 14,000 rupees for the 4 and 64 variant, but it also comes with one more variant which has 6GB RAM along with 64GB storage, which comes for rupees 17,000. I don't think that 6GB is necessary. It is definitely overkill. That's why the 464 variant is going to be the most popular one, and if you're planning to buy that phone, you should go for the 464 variant. Now Xiaomi launched one more product today, that is the Mi TV. At first I thought that they'll launch a smaller TV like a 32-inch TV for the budget segment, but they went all in and launched a 55-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV, which is crazy because I did not expect Xiaomi to launch Mi TV so soon over here in India. Like, people have been asking for the Mi TV for a long time, but I thought they would not launch it here in India, but they did, which is a very good thing. And most importantly, the price of this TV is crazy. It comes in for 40,000 rupees only. So for 40,000 rupees, you get a smart TV which is 4K Ultra HD and it has a lot of good features. It comes with its custom OS, that is Patchwall, which is specifically redesigned for India as they mentioned in the launch event. And as far as I can tell, I know Xiaomi, they create some good software and Patchwall is going to be awesome. So there are a lot of new features in this TV, and for the price of rupees 40,000, you cannot go wrong with this TV. So if you're planning to buy a new TV like maybe 55 inches, 4K and all that, then you should definitely consider Mi TV. It is going to be a very good option because of the price point. At 40,000 rupees, I cannot think of a better TV than Mi TV 4 right now. So anyway, that's been it. These were the 3 products that Xiaomi launched over here in India today. Hit that subscribe button down there because I am going to buy the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Therefore, there are going to be a lot of videos coming about that phone. Anyway, my name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.